Our update on the 29th of March has changes to the Correspondence Manager Microsoft Word add-on, including email template fields, and two new exciting integrations. Firstly, Apeo. Our new integration enables car payments to be taken directly in eFD via an arrangement or a funeral plan, with 8 different car payment providers, including WorldPay, Barclays Merchant Services, Evalon, and more. As and when Apeo integrate with other car payment providers, our Seeker clients will immediately benefit from this, and more information will follow. There are 2 subscription types available for this integration. We will send more information to the eFD experts via email. Secondly, Trustpilot. Our new integration enables you to submit the review request trigger to Trustpilot upon an action in eFD. Trustpilot will then initiate the review request via email to your client at a pre-agreed time between you and Trustpilot outside of eFD. This is available for all arrangement types, including pre-need funeral plans, to enable a streamlined integration and review process. The following video will demonstrate the changes and provide guidance on how to connect to Apeo and Trustpilot. If you have any further queries, please do not hesitate to contact us. We have enhanced the Correspondence Manager with the following fields: arrangement, job description, deceased person religion, coffin, colour, fitting colour and gown, transport notes, additions, newspaper publish date, charities. We have added 1, 2 and 3 charity names and address to allow information for up to 3 charities to be pulled through to correspondence templates. Ashes interment scatter instructions, and new fields for the preparation tab, instructions on clothing removal and embalming required. We have combined the Correspondence Manager fields with the email lookup fields to ensure all fields are available in both areas of eFD where possible. Please note that any fields from the Correspondence Manager that have a start, end, list formatting will not be available for email templates. This is mainly around the fees and disbursements feature for the formatting of bespoke estimate and final accounts. Our new integration with Apeo allows you to process card payments directly via an arrangement and funeral plan in eFD. This also includes donations and the client portal. It allows you to make payments using a secure online payment gateway with 8 different card payment providers. There are 2 different subscription options which have been detailed in an email directly to your eFD experts. Both subscription options require the vendor name, key and password to be obtained and entered into eFD prior to the new feature being accessible to users. Of course, this is something that we can help you with. Once done, card payments can be processed in eFD via an arrangement. This can be done via arrangement, finance, account, add payment. Once selected, the modal looks the same as it did before. However, once paid by card is selected, additional fields are available. Enter the card payment details as required. The full address or just the numbers from the street address and postcode will work. Once you are content that the card payment details are correct, select OK to process the payment. Once processed successfully, the reference number is displayed and an email receipt is automatically sent to the client contact email address from eFD. If the payment is declined, an error message is presented. Check the card details and try again. If the error message continues, refer this back to your client. More details on error messages that may be shown can be found in the Help Centre. Processing a donation payment works in the same way. This integration is available for all arrangement types: funerals, including donations, masonry, sundry, repatriations, and the client portal, which is launching in spring 2021. Please note that this integration does not handle card payment refunds. Should a card payment need to be refunded, this can be done outside of eFD on the merchant login for your card payment provider, and the refunded amount can be added to eFD manually. Our new integration with Trustpilot allows the review request trigger to be sent to them upon an action in eFD being completed. Available for all arrangement types, including pre-need funeral plans, to enable a streamlined integration and review request process. There are two trigger types. The first is the final account being raised for arrangements, and the second is the funeral plan being submitted for pre-need funeral plans. Once done, Trustpilot are notified of the client details to initiate the review request email. This will be sent at a pre-agreed time between you and Trustpilot outside of eFD. So what to do next? Firstly, you need to let us know that you'd like to go ahead with this subscription. We will then enable the Trustpilot subscription, which will give you access to the Trustpilot admin area in eFD. This area gives you the freedom to adjust what arrangement types you would like the review request triggered for. Connecting eFD to your Trustpilot account is quick and simple to do. If you follow these simple instructions, you will successfully connect to your Trustpilot account. Firstly, log in to Trustpilot business website. Navigate to Integrations, Developers, APIs. You will then be required to create a new application called eFD and enter the URL in the Redirect URLs box and then click Create Application. Select the newly created application and copy the API secret and key into the Trustpilot settings page on eFD, which can be found via Admin, Company Admin, select your company, and then Trustpilot. Select Edit and then copy the API key from Trustpilot into eFD, followed by the secret. You must enter the domain name registered with Trustpilot. This can be found via your Trustpilot business website here. You can then set the other settings in the modal as desired. Once satisfied, click Connect to Trustpilot and follow the login prompts. This will be the same credentials you used to sign in to the Trustpilot website earlier, not your eFD login details. You will be redirected back to eFD, and if the connection was successful, the Connect to Trustpilot button will have changed to say Disconnect from Trustpilot. If Use Client Contact is set to Yes, where a client has not consented to be contacted, the Trustpilot notification trigger will not be sent to Trustpilot upon the final account being raised. This, however, can be changed via the Trustpilot admin area at any time. Once eFD has been connected to your Trustpilot account and the settings selected, the integration is live. When a final account is raised or a funeral plan is submitted, Trustpilot will receive a notification of the client email address ready to send the review request email at a time set between you and Trustpilot. Of course, if you require any support in connecting your Trustpilot account, please do let us know and we'll be happy to guide you through that.